Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the compiler and extensions are ready. Install Visual Studio Code, a C++ toolchain, and the Microsoft C/C++ extension. Once done, open your project folder so the editor can index files and create a basic tasks. JSON to compile with G++ or Clang. Make sure include paths are set for IntelliSense. Without them, you'll get squiggles even if code compiles. Next, add a launch configuration to enable debugging. This is the first actionable step to run and inspect programs. Now you wire build and debug. Create or edit tasks. JSON to invoke G++ with flags like G and O0. Label that task so launch. JSON can reference it. Then open launch. JSON and point program to your compiled executable, add arguments if needed, and set pre-launch task to the compile task. Make sure source file map and CWD are correct. Use breakpoints, watch variables, and the call stack panel to step through code. Once set, build, run, and iterate quickly, editing, rebuilding, and debugging in tight cycles. Finish by polishing workflow. Configure a formatter and linter for consistent style, and set up tasks for unit tests so runs are repeatable. Once done, use the integrated terminal and problems pane to investigate compile errors and open output logs for the C++ extension if behavior is odd. If the debugger won't attach, make sure the compiler produced debug symbols and check path and launch. JSON paths, a key troubleshooting tip. Restart the C++ extension, host, and reload the window. This often clears stale index or debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.